Today I'm making a tiny needle felt leek, a simple beginner friendly project perfect for St David's Day decorations, gifts or pins. To get started you will need some form of a base, like a brush mat. You will also need a felting needle. You will also need different colour roving wool. You will need small amounts of pink and black for the face, and a larger amount of white roving wool, and 2 different shades of green roving wool. You will first need a large amount of your white roving wool, and you're going to take that strand and fold it in half. We're then going to felt around the fold. This will be the base of your leek. Remember when felting to keep the needle straight so it doesn't snap the needle. In short little stabbing motions, push in and out of the roving wool. The fibres will catch on the barbs of the felting needle and will start to mesh together. Make sure to leave the other end open. We're going to be using that later on to make the leaves of the leek. Once you're happy with the base shape, we're now going to focus on the leaves. You can split these up into as many as you would like. I'm going to take a good section and fold it slightly back on itself into a leaf shape. And then I'm going to use my needle to start felting it together. If you feel like you don't have enough wool, you can always tear off some more segments of wool and felt that on top to make it thicker or slightly larger. Repeat this technique with the other open segments of your leek to make as many leaves as you would like. You can always add more leaves by felting on some more white roving wool. Once you're happy with the shape of your leek, we're now going to add the green colour. We're going to start off with a lighter green. Taking the light green roving wool, we're going to pull away a strand. We're then going to fold this green strand over one of our leaves so that it covers the front and the back. We also want it to slightly hang down the bottom of the leek. We're now going to start blending this into our leek base. If you feel like you don't have enough colour, you can always add more green. We're going to repeat this technique on each of the leaves, blending it nicely down to the bottom of the leek. The tops of the leaves of the leek tend to be darker, so we're now going to add our darker shade of roving wool to the top. We're going to repeat the same process as we did before, taking strands of our darker green roving wool and folding it over a leaf. Make sure not to cover up all of the light green base. We only want the darker green to be near the top of the leaves. Again, we're going to felt this on to blend it down the leek. We're going to repeat this technique for all of the leaves of the leek. Once we're happy with the base and the colouring, we're going to focus on the face. Now you can do any expression you would like for this leek. I'm going to start off by taking 2 small amounts of white roving wool. This is going to be the base of the eyes. After you tear off a small amount, you're going to roll it around in your fingers to create a ball. This friction will help to mesh that roving wool together. Once you've got 2 equal balls, we're going to place that on top of the base of the leek. Using your felting needle, you're going to very carefully push this white roving wool into the base of the leek. We're now going to do the same thing with the black roving wool. We're going to tear off an even smaller amount of roving wool and we're going to roll it up in our fingers to create a small ball. We're going to do this twice to make the pupils of the eyes. Once you're happy with the size, we're going to gently felt it into that white eye. Continuing to use the black roving wool, I'm now going to create the mouth. I'm going to take a tiny amount of black roving wool and I'm going to twist it in my fingers to make a long, thin strand. I then like to fold this in half a couple of times just to make it slightly thicker. I'm then going to place this strand on top of the leek in a smile formation. You could play around with the expression to make it a shock face or a little smirk. You could even add things like glasses or eyebrows to it as well. I'm going to gently felt this onto the leek. I now want to add 2 little pink rosy cheeks to the leek. Again, I'm going to take 2 small strands from my pink roving wool and I'm going to roll it up in my fingers to create 2 balls. Using my needle, I'm going to gently felt that onto the cheeks of the leek to get a lovely expression. Finally, for added detail, I'm going to add a white highlight into the pupils of the eyes. Again, I'm going to take 2 small strands of white roving wool and I'm going to roll them in my fingers. Once I'm happy with those, I'm then going to attach them onto the pupils of the leek and gently felt them in. And that's our little needle felt leek finished. A simple seasonal make that's quick, relaxing and full of character. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosy fibre art and seasonal crafts. Happy crafting and happy St David's Day!